Welcome to Witty Bits, where facts are fast, fun, and maybe a little bit sneezy today. Ever launched a snot missile at light speed? Well, buckle up. We're diving into the science behind your body's tiniest explosion, the sneeze. When dust, pollen, or even a pepper flake irritates your nose, your brain goes full red alert. It sends a message to your chest, throat, and face muscles like, "Everyone ready, fire," and boom, a super coordinated reflex launches air, saliva, and mucus out of your nose and mouth at nearly 100 miles per hour. It's like a mini hurricane, with germs. Oh, and those back-to-back sneezes. That's your body yelling, "Still not clean in here." So next time you sneeze, remember that Achoo is your body's superhero move in disguise. If this little blast of science made you smile or sneeze, hit that like, share, and subscribe for more brain-tickling facts only on Witty Bits.